Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sweet potatoes in the oven. First, select about 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, ensuring they are firm and free of any soft spots. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to remove any dirt. You can peel them if you like, but leaving the skin on adds nutrients and texture. Then, cut your potatoes into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures they all cook evenly. Now, let's add some delicious flavor to those sweet potatoes. Place your cut pieces into a large bowl and drizzle them with about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil or olive oil. Sprinkle with a generous half teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and perhaps a full teaspoon of smoked paprika for a savory kick. For a sweeter profile, try a light drizzle of maple syrup and a pinch of cinnamon instead. Toss everything together until each piece is perfectly coated. For the best results, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. This makes cleanup incredibly simple. Spread the seasoned sweet potato pieces in a single layer across the entire sheet. It is really important not to overcrowd the pan, as this causes the potatoes to steam instead of roast, preventing that beautiful caramelization. If you have too many, simply use a second baking sheet to ensure proper spacing. Preheat your oven to a robust 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This high heat is key to achieving a crispy exterior and a tender interior. Once preheated, place your baking sheet on the middle rack for optimal, even heat distribution. Roast the sweet potatoes for an initial 20 to 25 minutes, then carefully remove the pan and flip each piece with a spatula. Return them to the oven and continue roasting for another 15 to 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.